What is Zoho CRM? Welcome back. In this video, let's understand what Zoho CRM is. Zoho CRM is a business management tool. Think of it like a smart business notebook. In this notebook, Zoho CRM stores customer names, phone numbers, emails, enquiries, and sales details. Whenever someone contacts your business, Zoho CRM remembers everything for you. Instead of searching WhatsApp, emails, or papers, you open Zoho CRM and see all information in one place. Zoho CRM helps you stay organized and professional. This is the place where our vibe-coded automations will work. Let's continue. Got an idea for a process, product, or business improvement? Share it with us, and we'll map out the next step workflow for execution. Comment or DM us today. We will provide this in 1 hour.